Hey, what are you doing sampling that? Oh, I'm sorry, this is Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our cooking channel. As you can see, my husband snuck in on me and was already sampling the food this morning. Thank you for joining us. Like I told you, I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking, and what we're doing today is something wonderful with zucchini. It's that time of year that we're all trying to find something to do with zucchini. These are just a few of my small ones. And of course, I grew some this year that look like little boats. So what my dish today is going to be is Southwest Zucchini Boats is what I'm calling them. And it really gears towards the Southwest. And what I did last night is I cooked and shredded a 3 to 4 pound pork roast, added onions, peppers, garlic, cumin, pepper, diced chilies, let that simmer for quite a while, probably 30 to 40 minutes. And then I add, after that cooled for a bit, I added about a cup of the Mexican cheese, which we love. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put as much of this filling as I can into these cute little boats. And then we're going to take these out and cook them over our Dutch oven cooking area. We want to cook at about 350, and these don't have to cook real long. We're going to be checking it, but probably 35, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. Because this is all cooked, you just want to cook it enough to blend all these flavors together. Of course, this time of year, there's so many things you can do with zucchini, from desserts to casserole dishes like this, to pickles. One thing you do have to remember, don't leave your windows down or your car unlocked. You'll know why. And then anyway, when these are all done, what we like to do is put some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Okay, I'll continue to finish filling these up. Then we'll take them out and bake them in our Dutch oven cooking area. But this is also a dish that is very easy to put in a 9x13 pan. Pop it in your oven, cover it with aluminum foil, and bake it that way if you don't want to do it this way. Just remember to please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Also, we do have WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com. It's a wonderful website where you can get a free guide and recipe book. Great, we'll see you outside in just a few minutes. Well, our wonderful zucchini boats got done. It took about 45 minutes outside in our Dutch oven. As you can see, my husband is here going to sample it for us. Well, Gary, what do you think? Oh my, as you can see, I grated some Parmesan cheese and put it on top. Oh, what do you think? Tastes like more?
Tastes like more.
We have a lot of them going on, so later on our friends from down the hill are going to come visit us and we're going to have dinner with them. And really, you don't need much more to go with this unless you like dessert. And zucchini chocolate cake, you can't go bad on that. Thank you for joining us today. Just remember our motto: great food shared with friends and family equals great times. Thank you for joining us today. Here's to all of our viewers, family, and friends. We appreciate you. Just remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave a comment. And remember our website, WyomingDutchOven.com, and you will go to that and you'll get a free guide and a recipe book. Here's to all of our viewers. Thank you for joining us. Till we meet you again next time. And Gary is continuing to eat this, which is a good thing. That means it's wonderful. Of course, we like spice, and he loves spice.